Problem solving, mastering a key skill in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an important concept: problem solving. This is not just a phrase, but a crucial skill in both language learning and daily life. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Problem solving is a phrase that combines two key words: problem, meaning a difficulty or challenge, and solving, which means finding a solution. When put together, problem solving refers to the process of identifying a problem and finding effective ways to resolve it. It's a critical skill in various fields, from mathematics to personal relationships. Let's look at some common examples. She's excellent at problem solving. She quickly found a way to fix the issue with our computer. Our team meeting today will focus on problem-solving strategies for the project's challenges. These sentences demonstrate how problem-solving can be used in everyday English to describe a valuable ability or a necessary process. For English learners, problem-solving can be applied in learning strategies. For instance, encountering a new word is a problem. To solve it, you might use a dictionary or ask for clarification. It's all about finding solutions and overcoming language barriers. And that's all on problem solving. Remember, it's not just about finding solutions. It's about developing a mindset that helps you tackle challenges effectively. Keep practicing this skill in your English learning journey and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you in your language learning adventures.